Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's meal prep day. Last 2 days have been intense. We had a mini little Epicure conference here in Toronto, which was pretty exciting. I mean, the airport, but close enough. Exciting for me because I didn't have to go so far. So it was great. Had a leaders day on Friday afternoon. If you saw my live about that, I'm still booking if anybody wants to talk about having their own cooking event, whether in person or on Facebook or whatever you might want. I've got many different options, so whatever works best for you and your friends and family. If you want to share how awesome Epicure is in your kitchen too with your family and friends, those 20-minute meals, feel free to reach out. And then Saturday was the big one for all ambassadors, and a few of my team members made it. Melissa and Anne-Marie from London and Jennifer from Ajax, so it was pretty awesome. Yeah, learned a lot of stuff, won some stuff. So Anne-Marie won a huge raffle basket. I want a cool little sticker to go on the back of my computer, and it was great. So yeah, anyway, into food. I've got a bit of hamburger here. I'm gonna do some Donair for myself. This is for lunches and things. And then I'm going to do some burgers, and those ones I will freeze up. And we'll have them maybe later this week, depending on the weather. Maybe barbecue them, see how Victor feels about barbecuing, and we'll go from there. And then the last thing is I'm going to make butter chicken. Now, I've been talking about butter chicken since 2 weeks, I think now, and I'm finally just going to get around to it. I'm just going to use the whole package. But my chicken didn't defrost because I didn't pull it out until like 5 o'clock this morning. And yes, I couldn't sleep. Because I didn't pull my chicken out. No, kidding. But anyway. So it's out defrosting, but I'm going to put it back in the fridge and I'm going to make it tomorrow night. So Monday night I will go live here in the group and make some butter chicken. I have the chicken. I've got some sweet potatoes. I got some coconut milk. I'm probably just going to use frozen broccoli as well. All right, I'm just going to put it in the rectangular loaf pan here. I am going to just microwave this 6 minutes. It's not a full 2 pounds. Lid on, microwave. And then what ends up doing for lunch is I take it out, slice it up, and then quickly pan fry it and throw it into a wrap. Make some lemon tzatziki and add with some cucumbers, which I bought, and have some yummy Donair. So I said 6 minutes, right? All right, there we go. Since my hands are full of hamburger, I'm going to do the burger part now. Maybe not. Okay, let's do the burgers. All right, so I'm just going to use our cheese pan, a bit of parchment paper, and just kind of down and go. Wrap it up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Says 2 tablespoons. Well, we're going to put in a little bit more. All right. So yeah, make a bunch of burgers, set them up. I am going to use our 3-in-1 burger press here. Now it does say on the recipe to put in like ketchup or barbecue sauce. You can if you want. I don't bother. With these particular ones, I actually don't use egg or any kind of other filler either. Mostly because, well, I just want the burger, but also because Victor doesn't like egg. So, and you don't need it. So that's the whole thing. So you just have these set, and then you can wrap them up after that. So you put in as little or as much seasonings as you like. And away you go. And then the next thing after this is I'm going to chop up some sweet potato and cook them for tomorrow's butter chicken so that they're already kind of soft and won't take as long when I want to make a quick 20-minute meal. And so that's part of the thing that I like about my meal prep is I can just kind of set a few things up ahead of time. All right, there we go, one burger. You can make these smaller if you want to make the cool slider versions. We do have that too as well. That's what the thing about the 3-in-1 is that there's slider. There's actually stuffed burger if you wanted to put in some like jalapenos or some cheese. Or, I don't know. What else do you guys do when you make stuffed burgers? All right, so there we go, 2. Should be able to get more than that. Yeah, I can get 4 down onto the small or the quarter sheet pan. And then I can just top it up. I probably can make about 6 burgers here. There you go. And then I just fold the parchment paper over and finish off my last 2 burgers. This could be something you could do as a workshop, actually, if anyone is interested. I actually do this as a workshop. So you can come over here, or I can come to your place if you want to have people over. Everybody brings their own protein, so whatever you want, chicken, beef, pork, whatever. So chicken, beef, whatever you want. And then I can come over with a whole bunch of different seasonings, and you can make a mass amount of burgers of different shapes, sizes, colors, flavors. And then freeze them, and then you have them in your fridge or freezer, for when you go camping or when you're having a barbecue or just dinner or whatever it might be, and then away you go. So this I'll just put into the fridge, let it set, and then wrap it up and put it into the freezer. There we go. All right, next is chopping up my sweet potato, which I will also, as I said, microwave and just get it set. Now there's a few things I could do. You could use squash, it doesn't have to be sweet potato. You could peel it if you wanted it to have, like you want to make it kind of a thickener for your butter chicken or whatever it is you might be cooking, stew, sauces. Sweet potato squashes of any format are really great for that, but you just kind of have to take the skin off, or you can blend really well, whichever it is. But and then it just becomes, like a sauce, and then it will thicken it up naturally, and you don't have to add in other things. It's also a great way to hide vegetables and nutrition in your food, like your pasta sauces and stuff, whether it be for yourself, your kids, your spouses who may be not particularly fond of vegetables. Yeah, it is something I do. All right, that's the Donair. Perfect timing. I'm almost ready to put the sweet potato in. It won't flavor the sweet potato or anything, as I said, because I'm going to throw it into the butter chicken. All right, so there we go. The square steamer with the sweet potato chopped up. Check on our Donair. All good. 5 minutes. for the sweet potato. There we go. Donair. So I didn't make the full amount, so that's why it's less. I probably could have done it for 5 minutes, but looks fine. Okay, so that's Donair. So I can make that for lunches for the next couple of days. Tomorrow night, as I said, will be the chicken with our butter chicken and some coconut milk. The cool thing about our butter chicken, what I love, which I haven't had in a while, is you can go ahead and make it how you like. So I'm more of a Tibetan butter chicken person than an Indian butter chicken person. I'm not fond of tomatoes and onions and things. I'm not very fond of all that, just for me personally. So I just use the sauce with some coconut milk. I might throw in one raw tomato, so we have a little bit of the acid from that. And then vegetables, so lots of vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, peas, sweet potato, squash, whatever you want, chicken. And then I can freeze it and have it for smaller meals throughout the week. And then, of course, rice or naan bread or whatever, or pizza or something, whatever you might want to do with it. I'm going to make rice with it tomorrow, and I have naan bread for the week as well for that. So there you go. That's it. That's my meals for the next couple of days or throughout the week. And then I do want to make the Thai basil drunken noodles some point in time this week as well. And that's kind of where I'm sitting for making decisions on food. But I did want to chat because I'm almost finished here. 10 minutes after. Woohoo! These are our kits, right? They're back if you knew about them from before. We have an awesome burger one, which is kind of what I just showed you there. So all of them come with 5 recipe cards of different types of recipes to choose from. So the burger one has beef parmesan burger, cheeseburger tostadas, burger bite power bowl, cheese stuffed burgers, and big burger kebabs. So that's what's in that. It comes with the burger seasonings, the cheesy fries, and the big burger sauce. So perfect for making making your meals. There you go. Right, that's the burger one. Second. And then we have a Greek one. Same concept. It has 5 recipe cards. So sizzling steak tacos, sheet pan donair meatballs, Slovakia chicken kebabs, Slovakia sheet pan dinner, and Greek chicken powerball. So it has a donair, which I just used today, a chicken Slovakia, which you know is delicious. By the way, this thing serves 8 in this package. So how cool is that, right? And this one makes 10 servings. So it's a lot. And then it comes with the lemon dilly and the Greek salad dressing. So pretty awesome kit. And then, last but not least, the Mexican kit. As you can see, they're all in adorably cute, bright green containers, which is awesome. All right, so 5 recipe cards. So sheet pan fajita night, or dinner, sorry. Cheesy taco pasta, prawn tostadas, I'm saying it wrong, Tex-Mex burrito bowl, and slow cooker salsa tacos. So, awesome. This one comes with 3 of the jars because that's where all their stuff is. So we got the polka picante, which is the salsa, grate on eggs, pizza. This is a good one that Vic and I take when we camp, when we do pizzas on the barbecue. We'll sprinkle a little bit of the polka picante on top of some fresh cheese and prosciutto or something. It's yummy. Guacamole, and of course the taco, all things that are a must. And you can make 40 plus meals with each one of these boxes. So yeah, there we go. All right, burgers are done. Setting up, I'll wrap them up so that they can freeze. I have the Donair set and ready. Once that cools, it'll go into the fridge. And then the butter chicken, I'm all set for that. I'll have the sweet potatoes already pre-cooked, so I can just toss it in and it'll take less than 20 minutes. The rice in the microwave takes about 10 minutes. So boom, there we go. I think I'm almost done with that. Oh, yep, 30 seconds. So let me just kind of give you an option here. So you can see they're already soft. So pretty cool. All right, that's it. Thanks. If you're watching, thank you. I don't see, but hey, if you're watching later, hashtag replay. Tell me what you think, what you're making. I know it's a beautiful Sunday, so hopefully you're out enjoying it or got plans. And yeah, if you want to host your own event, have some people over or do it virtually or whatever. Feel free to reach out. It's a great way for you to earn a bit back because it's a partnership, and also just share what you already know and love about Epicure with your family and friends. And if you want to go one step further and be your own ambassador, you can chat with me or your ambassador about that. Be your own savvy ambassador and savvy consumer. Get the discount on all things that you buy already. It's a great way to offset your grocery bill, help you cook at home more, which also saves you money, time, and effort, and get some deliciousness in your kitchen. Anyway, take care and talk to y'all soon.